Hello and welcome to another set of Trains Out, and today we're at Stratford on the Great Eastern Mainline. So you'll be seeing services by Abellio Greater Anglia, London Overground, Transport for London, and hopefully freight as well. Down there is the remnants of 66706 and then Valley GBRF. 321333 you can just see down there is departing with Abellio Greater Anglia, so it's bound for London Liverpool Street. There is London Overground 387, there is an Abellio Greater Anglia 317. There is a Central Line London Underground service. Behind that is a dual pairing of Transport for London 315s. Here is another Abellio Greater Anglia 321. There is another London Overground Central Line service. There. This is 321423 with Abellio Greater Anglia service bound for Southend Victoria. So, right, after all that, let's see what else shall turn up. Okay, and the next two services turn up are Abellio Greater Anglia Class 360s bound for London Liverpool Street. Got 360-116 at the front. As there's going to be another 66 about to pass by soon. The next 360 turn up is 360-102 for Abellio Greater Anglia. As 32143 is now departing with the Abellio Greater Anglia service to Southend Victoria. Okay, for about turn we find Freightliner 66556. These are KTA wagons. These ones are FRA wagons. As there's 82136 for Abellio Greater Anglia. With East Anglia daily times 90011.
Please stand well clear of the edge of platform 9.
Okay. Don't know what's turning up, but down there is an Abellio Greater Anglia Stansted Express service. Bound for, yes, you guessed it, Stansted Express. Oh, hello. What have we got here then? 90014. With 82105. There goes the London Underground Central Line service. The London Underground service is turning up. Catch up to Abellio Greater Anglia Class 360 up here. It's 360-106 bound for Ipswich. Okay, our freight train's back on the move.
This train is formed of 4 coaches.
Okay, now departing is 3:15-837 with the Transport for London Rail service to Shenfield.
Rochford, Southend Yen, Brittlewell and Southend Victoria. This train is formed
With 3:15-832 on the rear. And also coming in is 3:15, I think that was 518. With something on the road. 3:15-344, I think. Now coming in is 13:19 Abellio Greater Anglia service to London Liverpool Street. It's one of their 321s. 321-353. Now coming in is the 13:20 Abellio Greater Anglia service to Southend Victoria.
Southend Victoria. This train is formed of 4 coaches.
So 321-429.
The next train to arrive at platform 9 will be the 13:22 Abellio Greater Anglia service to for the purpose of
Okay,
security
13:20
and
Abellio Greater
safety
Anglia service to
management.
Southend Victoria is now departing.
Service to London Liverpool Street. London Liverpool Street only. This train
And then the
is
next train to turn up is the 13:22 Abellio Greater Anglia service to London Liverpool Street. (360-114).
The next train to arrive at platform 10 will be the 13:25 Abellio Greater Anglia service to Clacton-on-Sea.
Now coming in is the 13:25 Abellio Greater Anglia service to Clacton-on-Sea.
Whitton, Colchester, Wivenhoe, Thorpe-le-Soken and Clacton-on-Sea. This train is formed of 4 coaches.
360-115.
Change at Thorpe-le-Soken, what for services to Kirby Cross, Frinton-on-Sea and Morton-on-the-Naze.
Yeah, okay. As 36115 is now departing. A thumbs up from the driver there, thank you very much. Here's 315-821 for Transport for London Rail, working a service to London Liverpool Street. With 315-843 on the rear. There's 315-850. That'll be working a Transport for London Rail service to Shenfield. And pulled in just over there was another London Overground service, and the 317 is still sitting there looking as pretty as ever. And there's a bus. There we are. I've done your path of buses. On the rear was 315-851. As another Central Line service turns up. Now coming into 1336 Abellio Greater Anglia service to London Liverpool Street.
This train is formed of 4 coaches.
The next train to arrive
360-118.
will be your 1338 service to Norwich, calling out Chelmsford, Colchester, Manningtree, Ipswich, Stillmarket, East Norwich. That's the next train to arrive on platform 10A.
As down in the distance you can also see a departing London Overground service.
The Norwich service. Please make your way to platform 10A. The 1338 service to Norwich on platform 10A.
Okay, and the next train turn up is the 1338 Abellio Greater Anglia service to Norwich. As there is 315-833 of the Transport for London Rail service to Shenfield. Here's 82133. On the rear was out with 315-847. Okay, she's getting ready to go.
Hello, can I have an escort from North Ticket Office, please? Yeah, no problem. Thank you.
On the rear is 90008, the East Anglian. Oh. This is the 1339 Abellio Greater Anglia service to London Liverpool Street. It's 323359, 321 even, 321359.
Change at Wickford for services to Battlers Bridge, South Wood Ferrers, North Cumbria Hawthorne, 31 Crouch, and Southminster.
Okay, and the next train to turn up is an Abellio Greater Anglia Class 360, so a double upset. The front is 360-105. This is an ECS movement by the looks of it. On the rear was 360-107.
The train now approaching platform 10A does not stop here. Please stand well clear of the edge of platform 10A.
And that's going to be a Freightliner Class 70. Hauling a Class 90.
Abellio Greater Anglia service to Southend Victoria. Calling at GEML,
This is 90-014 at the front.
Rochford, Southend F, Brittleman, and Southend Victoria. This
Away from the driver there, thank you very much. It's dragging 90-047.
This station operates a no smoking policy.
There is 321-301 with the 1342 Abellio Greater Anglia service to Southend Victoria. This train is formed of 4 coaches. Okay, and down there you can see a London Overground service departing, presumably for Clapham Junction. Now departing is a 1345 Abellio Greater Anglia service to Colchester Town, it's 360-116. Taking with 360-102, as here's Sir John Benjamin 90-007. bringing with it 82114. Okay, our freight service is now departing, or pulling away from a red light anyway. There's a TfL pair of 315s coming in. As you can see, another one departing.
Please do not leave your luggage unattended at the station. Luggage left unattended may be removed without boarding or destroyed or damaged by the security services.
Okay, and the Abellio Greater Anglia City service bound for London Liverpool Street is getting ready to go, with the unpronounceable 90007 at the front. That's my excuse anyway, and I'm sticking to it. As we've got another London Overground service coming in.
The next train to arrive at platform 9 will be the 1352 Abellio Greater Anglia service to London Liverpool Street. Call it London Liverpool Street only. This train is formed of 4 coaches.
As we've got another Central Line service turning up. Okay, the next train to turn up is going to be an ECS movement for an Abellio Greater Anglia service. It's 379028.
1352 Abellio Greater Anglia. This train is formed of 4 coaches. Platform 10.
As now coming in is the 1355 Abellio Greater Anglia service to Braintree, as also coming in is the 1352 Abellio Greater Anglia service to London Liverpool Street. It's 321318, and this is 321333.
This train is formed of 4 coaches.
Okay, 321333 is about ready to go. Okay, now coming in is a TfL class 315, as we have the military on the move. No, it's not. Is it? I don't know. Is it? Is it? Yes, it is. It's a military spec helicopter. There's 315-843. I'll get the rear car upon a departure. And we've got another pair turning up. We've got 315,556. 856, sorry. With 840 on the rear.
For your safety and comfort, this station operates a no smoking policy.
Okay, 315,843 is now departing with the TfL service bound for Shenfield. And on the rear was 315,821.
The next train to arrive at platform 9 will be the 1401 Abellio Greater Anglia service to London Liverpool Street. Calling it London Liverpool Street only. This train is formed of 4 coaches.
Hey, as the police go thundering past after a crime I didn't commit, honestly, our helicopter's back again. As down there you can see 379 for Abellio Greater Anglia, working a service from London Liverpool Street to Stansted Airport.
And Southend Victoria.
Couldn't tell you the number, I'm afraid. Okay, and our final train of the day is going to be the 1401 Abellio Greater Anglia service to London Liverpool Street. It's 321430. And as she pulls in, as the London Overground Central Line service departs, I shall leave it there. Thank you all very much for watching, it's greatly appreciated. If you like what you've seen today, then please do like and subscribe. Feel free to leave a comment, I do get back to them as and when I get the opportunity to. I've really enjoyed filming here again, it's been a long while since I've come back here, and it certainly hasn't disappointed. Nice to capture the Freightliner 66, the 70 and the 90. Just I couldn't capture an 86, I've had the full set, but there we are. Can't complain. Our friend in the helicopter is still doing his own thing. My next station, or trackside location, is going to be Tallington Level Crossing. I've been asked to go there and thought I'd give it a crack. But as ever, if you have any trackside locations or stations you'd like me to go to, then please do let me know, and I shall endeavour to do my very best to get around to doing this for you. And until next time, I shall see you all later. Goodbye.